National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Bradley County, southwestern Polk County, southeastern Hamilton County, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near South Cleveland, or 10 miles south of Cleveland, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chattanooga, South Cleveland, Wildwood Lake, Collegedale, Waterville, Conasauga, Red Clay State Park, Flint Springs, Appleton, and Gap Springs. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 10 and 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.